Yeah. So this is the Dollar Tree wallpaper, and I give this a 10 out of 10. I give this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, so welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a DIY. So I got these wallpaper. I'm gonna show you guys. So I got these wallpaper right here. They're from the Dollar Tree. I got, I believe it's like 10 or 11 of them. So just watch me. I'm gonna do the DIY. So if you guys want to see this video too, also make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Right here we have our wallpaper that I got from the Dollar Tree. So this is how they're looking. I'm gonna put them in the bathroom. So it tells you on the back, let me put my glasses on so I can see properly. So it tells you exactly it's a peel and stick, and you can remove it easily, so rentals friendly. Yeah, and I like the color too for bathrooms, or you can put it on the outside patio if you want, but I'm gonna put it in the bathroom today. All right, so putting it on. So right here, I don't think it's gonna fill up all the wall, but let's just do it and see, you know. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So let's just do it right now. So I'm gonna, so I guess right here you open it. Okay, and then you just stick it to the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I need a stool. Oh, this is cute. Oh wow, this is nice. Let me show you how it looks so far. Let me see if you guys can see it. So this is how it looking. I think I should have gone up a little bit more on that one, but let's just see how it's going to come out. Let me see, maybe like a
but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way. No way. No way. No way. Don't ask me for this, don't ask me for that. There's ice in the safe, get ice if you chat. I might flip my wrist, I might flip a stack. I might steal your chick and then give her back. No, don't ask me for nothing, no, I'll tell you no way. Cause I know who's fake and who's really here to stay. This is not a game I did not come to play. And you should know my answers already, no way. I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way. No way. No way. No way. No, don't ask me for nothing, no, I'll tell you no way. Cause I know who's fake and who's really here to stay. This is not a game I did not come to play. And you should know my answers already, no way. Don't ask me for that, there's ice in the safe. Get ice if you chat. I might flip my wrist, I might flip a stack. I might steal your chick and then give her back. I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way. No way. No way. No way.
That's cute. Okay guys, let me show you how it looks. So this is how it's looking. It looks so nice. I like it. So this is how it looks. Let me show you. And then when I go take a picture of the live. Damn girl, you look fine. Maybe I should put some more, like go down more. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is how it's looking. I really like it. It came out really good. Even though I did not have a scissors, it came out really good. I like it. Yeah. So this is the Dollar Tree wallpaper, and I give this a 10 out of 10. I give this a 10 out of 10. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys liked the video. This was helpful to you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye guys. Peace out.